Hi there, it's Ginny from Hello Little Home, and today we're talking about all things watermelon. Let's start with peeling. Cut off the ends, then cut it through the middle. Cutting watermelon into smaller pieces like this makes it safer and easier to handle. Next, cut around the edges of the watermelon, removing the peel. Once you remove the peel, you can cut it into many different shapes. Speaking of shapes, I love sticks. They're great for parties. To make sticks, make a series of parallel cuts, turn the melon, then cut perpendicular to those first cuts. Consider leaving the peel on for sticks. That way you have something to grab onto, making them less messy to eat. Cubes are the most versatile cut. Snack on them or use them in recipes. Start by slicing the watermelon vertically, then cut the slice into a grid pattern. Triangles are next, the classic shape for parties and snacks. Cut a slice of watermelon with the peel on, then cut the slice into wedges. So easy. Balls are the cutest cut, perfect for salads. Simply scoop out the watermelon using a melon baller or rounded teaspoon. And now you're an expert on all things watermelon.